fire.
The fire was very large.
Let me check the fire truck. Too small.
Let's me build a new one. Let's build a fire truck. Step 1. Build fire truck's body. Step 2. Build fire truck's wheels. Step 3. Build fire truck's water tank. Step 4. Build fire truck's head. Step 5. Build fire truck's ladder. Step 6. Testing moving fire truck. Step 7. Testing fire truck sprinkler.
Yay, let's go.
How it works. Let's evacuate. The fire was under control.
Oh no.
Let me move the car.
Oh no, out of water.
We must look for water sources.
I found it.
The sprinkler is full. Let's put out the fire. Don't worry. Come on, kitten. Your kitten was safe.
Oh, Mr. Fireman, thank you.
Hooray!
Thank you.
Wood processing site.
Guys, we've just got a 100-ton wood order.
That's a lot. We should get to work right now. The first log is ready to be sent to the sawmill. Great, the first log chunk is sliced. Now the pusher will send it to the collection conveyor, and it will be sorted into the A-class for storage.
Wow! Our wood processing line is truly number 1.
How to build a wood processing line. Number 1. Wood feeding conveyor. Conveyor deck. Now I'll build the stand legs. Add the gear. Attach the stand legs to the conveyor deck. The conveyor belt. The clamp. Testing with tomato. Number 2. Wood sawmill machine. Testing with tomato. Number 3. Wood outfeed pusher. The wood processing line is done.
Alright, the next log is coming up. This log chunk is best for basic construction. Let's send it to B-class storage. Half the wood has been processed. Let's keep going.
Wow! Looks like the B-class wood tray is full already, buddy.
Alright then, we'll get back to processing A-class log chunks.
All the wood has been processed.
I'll go deliver them right now. What a joke. They said our log chunks are too big.
We need to make them smaller.
The log chunks have been split in half.
That's not enough. Let's split them into quarters. The firewood is ready to go.
This time, they'll definitely go through.
Oh no, the forest is full of stumps.
You're under arrest for illegal deforestation.
Run quickly. You'll never catch it.
Today, I'll set up my car factory to build veggie cars for eco-activist guests. First, I need to set up the material feeding unit. To do that, I'll need a claw. My pushing claw is done. Next up is the material processing unit. I'll use the blade from a box cutter to build the slicing machine. The slicing machine is set. Then, it's time for the material transfer unit. I'm using a Lego gear rack to make the pushing arm move. Now I'll build chassis assembly unit to shape the car. This axle inserter will help lock the car's wheels and body together. The function of this drill is to make holes through the wheels and body. Next, I'll build the positioning tray to keep all the car parts in the right place. And with that, my car factory assembly line is ready. Let's start with the cucumber car. First up, the cucumber is fed into the slicing machine. The sharp blade will slice the very first cucumber piece. Then, the pushing arm will move it into the rear left wheel slot on the positioning tray. Same goes for the rear right wheel, the front left, and the front right. They're sliced and set right into place. Now, the rest of the cucumber will be pushed onto the turntable and then into the positioning tray to become the body of my car. This drill will go straight through the wheels and the body of cucumber car. Next, 2 wooden sticks will be pushed through the holes to lock the wheels and the car body together. But I still have one more surprise step for you. I'll add this carving machine to make the cabin for the car. Ta-da! Cucumber car is almost complete, but it still needs a steering wheel. The first guest has taken their seat. For our second guest's car, I'll use this carrot. Unlike the cucumber, the carrot is a bit tougher, but it does not faze my slicing machine.
Ooh!
One by one, all 4 wheels are rolling right into place on the positioning tray. For the car body, The remaining carrot will be trimmed a bit to make sure it's the perfect length. Our reliable drill is strong enough to pierce through any vegetable we use to build your dream car. After the 2 sticks go in, the whole car will stay firm and steady. Next, the carving machine once again finishes shaping the cabin. My carrot car is fully built. Add the steering wheel. My second guest is also ready to try out his car. All right, let's race these 2 veggie cars and see which one's the fastest.
Come on, cucumber car.
Come on, carrot car.
So the winner is carrot car.
I've got 2 things at home, ice cubes and cat litter. So I'm planning to use them to test out a racing challenge with my friends. First, we'll have to race across a tray full of cat litter. To make it more challenging, I'm gonna clump it into big chunks. Now it's time for both cars to start the race. Game on!
Ready?
1. Making clamping mechanism car. Step 1. Build the car body. I'll assemble one side of the car frame first. Add the chain drive. Now, connect both sides of the car frame together. Add the battery box. Step 2. Build the clamping mechanism. The clamp. Connect the clamping mechanism to the body. Clamping mechanism car is ready.
This is so easy for me. No way. She just overtook me.
I'm gonna win. This slope is way too bumpy. Oh no, he's caught up to me.
Oh, yes! I'm stuck.
Awesome, my car reached the finish line first.
I can't believe that I've just lost the race.
I will challenge myself with more difficult terrain. Next, my car will conquer this pool full of ice cubes. I will pass this challenge easily. Oh no, the wheels can't move over the ice. Yikes, all the water spilled. I barely even started.
2. Making magnet mechanism car. Step 1. Build the magnet mechanism. I'll use the repulsion force of 2 magnets to keep the water tray balanced as it moves. Step 2. Build the car body. First, I'll build the chassis frame. Then, I'll build the wheel frame. Add the wheels. Now, connect the wheel frames to the chassis frame. Add the motors. Connect to the battery. Connect the magnet mechanism to the car body. Add the tray. Magnet mechanism car is ready.
I need to take the shrimp to that sushi restaurant. This rocky terrain is too rough.
Shrimp.
Let's go! Oh! I need a sturdier car.
Option 1, pendulum mechanism car. Build the car chassis. The engines. The battery box. Now add the wheels. Build the pendulum mechanism. Lego chain. Connect two parts. Lego chain link. The car uses a chain mechanism for movement. The pendulum mechanism will keep the water tray balanced during movement. Our car is ready. Wow! Now let's set up these 3 acupressure mats. This rough surface will challenge the car's balance. The car will start here and finish here. Pendulum mechanism car is ready. The initial amount of water is 200 milliliters. Let's see how much water it carries to the finish line. It moves across the carpet quite well, but the water still sloshes around a lot. Pendulum mechanism car has carried the water past the obstacle. Number 2. Stabilization mechanism car. Build the stabilization mechanism. This dual-frame structure will automatically adjust the balance for the tray. Place the tray inside. The tray stays steady even though the frame tilts. Build the car chassis. The motor. The wheel. Lego curved gear rack. I'll use these curved gear racks to make 4 legs for the car to walk on. Connect to the battery box. Connect 2 parts. Stabilization mechanism car is done. Stabilization mechanism car is ready. Awesome! The car walks on the massage mat super smoothly. Stabilization mechanism car has reached the finish line. So the green water level is higher than the yellow one. The winner is stabilization mechanism car.
This time, I'll definitely deliver this shrimp to the sushi restaurant. Yeah, mission complete.